Topic 1. Federal Reserve's independence under scrutiny amidst DOJ investigation into Jerome Powell, impacting stock markets and monetary policy. The independence of the Federal Reserve is being challenged due to a criminal investigation by the Department of Justice into Chairman Jerome Powell. The investigation focuses on a multi-billion-dollar renovation project at the Fed's headquarters in Washington, D.C., and Powell's related congressional testimony. President Donald Trump has pressured Powell to lower interest rates more quickly, leading to concerns that the investigation is an attempt to politically influence the Fed's monetary policy. This situation threatens the Fed's independence and raises the possibility that interest rate decisions could be swayed by political pressure, potentially resulting in higher rates and economic uncertainty for consumers and investors. Following the news of the investigation, stock markets declined and bipartisan criticism emerged, with both Republicans and Democrats supporting Powell to protect the Fed's independence, raising fears about the Trump administration's intentions. Topic 2. Mackenzie Scott donates $45 million to the Trevor Project following federal funding cuts, highlighting social impact. Mackenzie Scott has donated $45 million to the Trevor Project, which operates a hotline for LGBTQ+ youth, marking the largest donation in the organization's history. This contribution comes after recent management turmoil, layoffs, and federal funding cuts that resulted in a $25 million loss for the project. The Trump administration halted specific support for LGBTQ+ youth through the National Suicide and Crisis Hotline, prompting Scott's donation aimed at long-term impact. The Trevor Project plans to use the funds judiciously, and Scott's unrestricted donation emphasizes her focus on social justice and equity, strongly recognizing the mission and influence of the organization. Topic 3. Trump's imposition of tariffs on countries trading with Iran, potentially affecting U.S.-China trade relations. President Donald Trump announced a 25% tariff on countries trading with Iran, effective immediately, impacting all nations engaged in trade with Iran, including major partners like China. China has strongly opposed this move, warning that it will take all necessary actions in response. This announcement could escalate tensions in U.S.-China trade relations, which had recently seen some tariff reductions through trade agreements. China, a major importer of Iranian oil, has stated it will not reduce its economic cooperation with Iran. Additionally, Trump's authority to impose these tariffs is based on the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, and a forthcoming Supreme Court ruling will determine the legality of this action, potentially affecting Trump's tariff imposition capabilities. China is preparing retaliatory measures against the U.S. tariffs on Iran, which could further strain trade relations. Topic 4. Alphabet reaches $4 trillion market cap driven by AI advancements, signaling strong investor confidence. Alphabet has surpassed a $4 trillion market cap, showcasing strong investor confidence driven by advancements in artificial intelligence, AI. The company's stock rose as it announced a collaboration with Apple to integrate its AI technology, Gemini, into Siri's next-generation model. This achievement places Alphabet in the $4 trillion club alongside NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Apple. The company is transforming its search engine into a conversational answer engine through AI technology, and its Google Cloud division is rapidly growing through AI tool sales. Despite concerns about an AI bubble, Alphabet maintains strong competitiveness. However, CEO Sundar Pichai warned that if the AI trend were to suddenly fade, the market value could plummet, indicating that market irrationality is having some impact. Topic 5. Paramount's legal action against Warner Bros. Discovery, indicating competitive dynamics in the entertainment industry. Paramount Skydance has taken L,